section of 1,056 meters of pipeline connecting the José Ignacio refinery to the mooring buoy for tankers. The client is ANCAP, the Uruguayan state petroleum company that owns and manages the refinery. For the purposes of carrying out the work, SEA has opened a branch office in Montevideo with an operational center in Punta del Este. The equipment necessary for the Uruguayan project arrived by sea from Ravenna in Italy, the city in which SEA have their head office, and from Malta, where a major maintenance and construction center for their machinery is located. What distinguishes SEA from other companies in this sector is its ability to provide a full service to their clients, from preliminary study to design, construction of machinery to the actual post-trenching work. In line with its philosophy, SEA has arranged for the supply of the pipeline and all the equipment necessary. For this project, an enormous yard has been set up, both onshore and aboard vessels. For the preparation of the strings, a launching line has been developed on which pipe strings are positioned, welded and checked before launching. SEA has also designed and built a 200-ton linear winch for pulling the pipeline. The linear winch, together with cable, various power generators and other equipment necessary, have been loaded aboard a supply vessel in the port of Piriápolis, then to be transferred to their final destination on an enormous pontoon from which all the operations will be carried out. In order to avoid risks arising from the presence of sea currents, which in this part of the Atlantic are rather strong, a pulling system has been developed working from seaside on the seabed. Once pulling has been completed, the trenching phase begins. For this operation, the Speedy PTM is used, a machine especially suited for this purpose. The Speedy PTM is also a machine designed and built by SEA and is patent protected. The PTM, with all its equipment for transmission, power, control, generator, umbilical and cabin, operates from the trimaran Rossana, a support vessel owned by one of the companies of the group. This trimaran, 30 by 10 meters, is suitable for working in shallow waters, almost up to the shoreline. In fact, it is ideal for shore approach work. Working in combination with the PTM, it becomes an operational unit that is highly competitive, also because once the trenching machine has been positioned on the pipeline, the Rossana does not need to move by shifting anchors. After connection, a team of divers specialized in the cutting and assembling of spool connectors carry out this work under the strict control of SEA personnel. The old pipe is cut and the new pipe, previously laid alongside, is connected to the pipeline. Like all the equipment and materials, the spool piece has been chosen on the basis of the finest technology available internationally. The José Ignacio project has taken 6 months and is the crowning achievement of the 10 years in business of SEA SRL. The company owes all its prestige to the genius of its technical director, Franco Ballestri. Mr. Ballestri has been successfully taking his all-Italian post-trenching technology all over the world for over 40 years.
The installation of the pipeline trenching machine will be done in 3 steps. Step 1 will be the machine lowering down onto the pipe. The entire machine will be locked out. Once it's on the pipe, step 2, the supervisor will hand a key to the pipeline trenching machine operator, which will operate the clappers, both on the bow end and on the stern end. Neither will be clear at this point. The supervisor will give the pipeline trenching operator the order to close the clappers. This will be done in 2 separate movements. Once the clappers are closed, the diver comes out of the water. He then hands the second key to the pipeline trenching machine operator, and the rest of the functions on the machine can operate. That is the hydraulic drive wheels and the cutter wheels, and also the air lift, which are at the back of the machine. Hydraulic lifters are on each side of the machine at the stern end. They have hydraulic motors driving propellers. Suck up the debris, discharge it on each side.
It's just showing the cutters moving up and down. It's just showing the cutters nearly just full extension there on the upward movement. Still coming up. It's all stopped there.